Whether you want to buy or sell a classic collectible or special interest vehicle, you need to visit the Classic Auto Mall website for more information. If you're looking to buy, you can easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 vehicles on the web at classicautomall.com. If you'd like to know all the advantages of selling your car through consignment, the information is available on our website so you can chat with a professional who can answer all your questions. It's easy, safe, and convenient. Plus, we sell worldwide.